Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing a arm swatch and eye look with the NUDIE PATOOTIE palette by LAKEY. I'm really excited for this because when I saw it, I thought the title or the name for the palette was so cute and I love the color scheme in it. The palette came in this packaging. It also came with this little card and it tells you all the names of all the eyeshadows, and it also has a tip at the bottom. It says best results when used with glitter glue or a wet brush, and there's a picture of LAKEY on the back of it as well. So yeah, let's open this up. I have not opened it yet, obviously, because it still has the packaging on it. Dang. Okay. It comes with bubble wrap too. I like when makeup companies take good care of their makeup whenever they send it over, because makeup can really mess up through shipping. But this is what it looks like, super cute. And I love how big this palette is. I've never had a palette this lengthy. Ooh, it feels so nice. It feels really nice. And you can see like my lights hit it. It says NUDIE PATOOTIE and it has her little logo right here. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty in person. Okay, it comes with this little film thingy, which every eyeshadow palette should. And it comes with a large mirror, and here are all the shades. I love it. This is so huge. Like, I wish I could show you guys how big this pan size is. This pan size is huge. You're like never going to run out. But yeah, let's do some arm swatches.
These are the top shades of the palette, and these are the bottom row shades.
Okay, so I already primed my eyelids with the Urban Decay Anti-Aging Primer Potion, and I'm gonna just do my eyeshadow and I'm gonna do a voiceover because my neighbor's mowing the lawn right now and I'm pretty sure you guys do not want to hear that. And yeah, I'll tell you guys how I feel about the palette at the end of the video, and I'm gonna just do the eyeshadow right now.
So first I grabbed Undressed and I put it all over my lid as my base color. And then I grabbed Reveal and I used it as a transition shade and I'm blending it out in the crease. Next I grabbed Butt Naked and I put that in the outer corner and also in the inner corner to create a halo look. After that, I connected the outer corner and the inner corner together and using the same shade, blending it out in the crease. After that, I grabbed a flat Morphe brush and the Smashbox primer water and sprayed my brush. With the wet brush, I grabbed Jaybird and applied it in the middle where we didn't put Butt Naked. I also brought it up to where we connected both the inner corner and the outer corner, right below the crease. After that, I grabbed Nakey and applied it where Butt Naked was in the outer corner, the inner corner, and in the crease. Then I grabbed Undressed again and used it to blend out the edges. After that, I grabbed Nakey again and put it in my lower lash line. I also picked up Butt Naked and used it to blend out Nakey on the lower lash line.
Okay, so all in all, this is the look that I came up with. It's kind of like a nighttime look. So yeah, all in all, I really like this palette. It's super blendable. The glitter pigment has no fallout, and one downfall is that this color right here looks a little mustardy on my eyes, because I'm guessing just because of my skin tone. It doesn't look like how it looks in the palette, but sometimes that's just how eyeshadows are. It's not really like the eyeshadow's fault, it's just the way my skin tone is mixing with it. And then I do love this mirror. The mirror is great, but if you're trying to do an eyeshadow look and it's gonna take you a while, I do not recommend using this mirror for your eyeshadow look, because I was holding it with one hand while trying to blend it with my other hand, and it just got heavy after a while, and my hand was about to like break off because I was taking forever. But other than that, I really like this palette. Like, it is a good palette. I do recommend this if you guys are thinking about getting it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.